Welcome. We got a YouTube plaque today. This is a big milestone for us. When Dean came in here and said, hey, you should be on YouTube, I was like, I know, but I don't edit. I've seen the results of that. It's made an impact on my life. It's made an impact on other people's lives. And it's really a feel good because people say, hey, this has helped me. And it really drives us to go forward and want to keep doing it. So we thought we'd open this on camera because I've not seen one of these before. It's a plaque from YouTube. When we hit 100,000, they reached out to us and said, hey, you have an award waiting. Put your information in to claim it. And I want to open it on camera. Oh, I wanted to show my other talent. I was joking about it, but when I was working as a kid, I worked a number of retail jobs, and there was times we were just sitting there bored, and so I just came up with a way to pass the time. And I think one of the things in my life that's always been that way is I just always trying new things. That's what led me to BuildASoil, and I feel like a lot of you are probably the same way. So let's open it. Let's see what it says. See what it looks like. Okay, I think that should open it. Let's see. That's pretty cool. We got a cover lever. Your 100th or your 1000th? Do you remember? Okay, I'll read the whole thing. Let's see what it looks like. Look at this, for passing 100,000 subscribers. That is really cool. Silver Creator Award. We're thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. And then they shut down our community like the day after. So, feels a little bit like salt in the wound, but you know what? This is separate. I know when we started this, that cannabis is controversial. We knew that when I started BuildASoil before growing was legal. And so I'm not mad at it. It's part of the game, and I'm just gonna keep pushing forward regardless. And I'm grateful for the opportunity. And I think that because they shut down, we started a better Patreon. And every step seems to push us into a better community. So YouTube, for what it's worth, appreciate you guys shutting us down and making us get better. And thank you for the plaque. Really cool. I mean, this is so cool. So I fully out of the bag. That's what it looks like. Little felt so you can hang it on the wall, which we'll probably do. Hopefully we get more of them, right? The next colors, I mean, I can imagine. It's only been a year and a half. If we keep going at this pace over the next 10 years, what this could turn into. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you to everybody who ever made a comment, anybody that liked it, anybody that interacted, joined the Patreon. I mean, you know who you are. You guys have been supporting us since day one, and about to get a little emotional. Feels really cool. So thank you, everybody. Thanks to my wife for supporting this crazy business of mine. Thanks for jumping in the videos and helping build this up as well. Can't wait to see where this goes with all of you guys watching. Thank you.